to 10148 Wading Pool Path. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just over 1,800 square feet. I'm here doing an open house in the South Austin home. It's listed for $435. Only 11 days on market so far. Modern design, built in 2012. This home features an open concept layout with soaring ceilings that flood the living area with natural light. The kitchen has some great granite countertops, dark wood cabinets, some tiled backsplash, all stainless steel appliances, which completely combines style with functionality. Some of the main highlights are some of the eco-friendly upgrades. We've got over $5,000 invested in landscaping enhancements, along with eco-conscious additions such as an Alexa smart thermostat. I promise you it's been cold in here my whole time during the open house. A rainwater collection tank, and a smart sprinkler system. All just helps to contribute to more sustainability and cost savings. The backyard features a super large deck, perfect for grilling and outdoor dining. The backyard fence has just recently been replaced by the HOA, so that's something you don't have to worry about. One thing the sellers do want us to note is that there is a train that goes by not too far away, but you can't really see it from here. I only heard it once during the open house. It's on the other side of the field across the street here. So just something to keep in mind if you are thinking about living here. This particular neighborhood, it's called the Hollow at Slaughter Creek. This community provides some great common areas such as lots of trails, which are really close by to this particular property. Just right outside your door, you can access one of the trailheads that go all around the neighborhood. You're also not too far away from South Congress and South First Street areas, which are some of the best locations in South Austin for dining, boutiques, vintage shops. It's really got a taste of the old Austin charm. If you are an outdoorsy type, just keep in mind you're not too far away from Zoku Park, where there's plenty of outdoor things going on for hiking, biking, pickup games, all of the above. So South Austin also has a lot of connectivity growth coming up soon. So they are planning to do a Bergstrom spur trail, which is supposed to link a lot of the neighborhoods up here with more walking and biking trails. So keep that in mind as well. As far as school district goes, we are in the Austin ISD school zone. Your closest ones are going to be Casey Elementary and Paradise Middle School. But if you need more resources for school zone information, just let me know and I can help you with that. I really love this downstairs open concept area. The tall ceilings really make this home feel even bigger than it actually is, so that is definitely a highlight. I do wish the master bedroom was also on the first floor, but that's just not something you can change at this point. So honestly, you gotta appreciate the layout is quite convenient on the upstairs as well. Thanks so much for watching the property tour for Waiting Pad here in Austin, Texas. Leave me a comment so I know what you think about this home. Do you think it's fairly priced, $435? Does that make sense for you? If you'd like to walk it in person, I can also help you with that. I'm always just a phone call or text away if you need anything real estate related here in Austin. Thanks.